Alright, today, welcome back to the channel. We're working on a 2000 Mercury Villager, doing the shocks. The shocks are very easy on this car. Just have to take off a few bolts here, and then you take off the bolt right here. So not too hard. Came out pretty easy. Here is what it looks like. Here's the original one. This is a factory shock. Same size, same everything. But we're going to compress this one. We're going to compress the old one. See how easy it is to compress. You just it just goes all the way down without. And I'll hold this. We'll see how quickly it comes back up. Try to compress that one. It's a little tough, and you can see this one. Okay, now all right, you could leave it. Don't mess it up. So it's taking, obviously it's a new shock. It comes up real quick, quality part. It's a KYB. I'll show you the box in a second. But this one, look at this one. This thing is dead. Now if I lay it down, you can see slowly coming back up. But it's the original. It's the original. At least it's made in USA. So let me show you what we got. It's the KYB Monomax. Yeah, it's pretty good. Again, just to recap, you gotta take off the tire. Once you take off the tire, there's 3 bolts you gotta undo here. There's a bracket that comes off. That's the bracket right there, and then there's the lower mount. So hope this helps somebody. Again, this is for a Mercury Villager. It's got lots of miles. That's the original shock. It's got 125,000 miles. So we're done with the rear shocks on the Mercury Villager. Again, here is the old shocks. But, besides looking at that, look at the ride height. I mean, this thing is like amazing right now. I mean, I measured the height from the wheels and the fender, and that's about 5 inches there. Before, it was maybe about 2 inches, so I think I gained 3 inches. But these shocks are they're dead, absolutely dead. So this is a good upgrade, and it's going to help you tremendously in the handling of the vehicle. So I suggest you guys do this upgrade. Again, these were KYB shocks that I installed. These originals were Mercury. They had the Mercury part number, and they were made in the USA. But the KYB is looking really good. All right, so hope this helps you out. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, just comment below. I'll try to make more videos like this for you. All right, thanks guys.